Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create videos of product reviews, mods, and install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. In this video, we are going to install Auxito's 7440 amber turn signals. They are ultra bright, 2200 kelvins color temperature and 2800 lumens. 6, 12, 18, 24, 26, 3020 SMD LED chips. It has a glass projector for strong light penetration. Made with aircraft grade aluminum body for better heat dissipation. Simple plug and play design with a built-in load resistor and IC driver. Canvas error-free and non-polarity. Power is at 24 watts, current 2 amps. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave a product link in the description below. We are going to replace these halogen turn signals in a 2019 Honda Pilot. First thing you want to do is remove this 1, 2, and 3 screws. So you want to turn the wheel so you have better access to those screws. Alright, now all you have to do is pry it back. Okay, now you have access to the bulb. So that is your turn signal bulb. Don't mind that red wire tapped in. That is for my sequential turn signal. You can check out my other video on that. I will put the link in the description below. So first you just want to turn counterclockwise and then pull it out. And there's your turn signal. All you got to do is replace it, pull it out. It's hard to do with one hand. I can't do it with one hand. So I'm going to pull it out and replace it with the new one. There you go, it's out. And there's Auxito LED turn signal 7440. Now you just want to go ahead and place it back in. Okay, and you want to make sure it's seated in and then turn it clockwise to lock into place. Just like that. LED installed. Halogen installed. LED installed. Halogen installed. Right side LED, left side halogen. Right side is your LED, left side is your halogen. It is significantly brighter. and does not hyperflash. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll create more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.